Floating wall shelves have become a stylish and practical solution for modern homes. Especially in 2025, these sleek and minimal designs not only save floor space but also add a sophisticated touch to any room. Whether you're decorating a living room, bedroom, kitchen, or even a hallway, floating shelves can instantly enhance your interior by offering both functionality and visual appeal. One of the most popular trends is using natural wood floating shelves. They bring warmth and texture to minimalist or neutral colored walls, creating a cozy, earthy vibe. For a more contemporary look, black matte or glossy white shelves *** offer a clean and elegant finish that blends well with modern decor. You can even go bold with colored or geometric shaped shelves to create a statement wall. Floating wall shelves are perfect for displaying decorative items like vases, framed photos, books, or plants. In the kitchen, they're ideal for storing jars, spices, and dishware in a way that keeps things accessible yet neat. In bedrooms or bathrooms, floating corner shelves or staggered shelves are excellent for utilizing vertical space without cluttering the room. Another creative design idea is layered or overlapping floating shelves, which add depth and dimension. You can also opt for *LED lit floating shelves ***.